Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss the laws of exponents. You see, laws of exponents. Multiplying powers with the same base. Let us calculate 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 2, that is 2 into 2, and into 2 into 2 into 2, that is we are getting 2 to the power 5. That if we add the exponents, that is 2 plus 3, you will get 2 to the power 5. Here also you see, if the base is same, minus 3 to the power 4 and minus 3 to the power 3. And since the base is same, we can add the numbers and add the exponents. Minus 3 to the power 4 plus 3 is 7, right? Here also 8 to the power 2 plus into 8 to the power 4. Since the base is same, we can add the exponents, that is 4 plus 2, 8 to the power 6, right? In this way, you can find the various. Here you see d to the power 10 into d to the power 20. Since the base is same, you add the exponent 20 plus 10 is 30. Or from this we can generalize that for any non-zero integer a, where m and n are whole numbers, then a to the power m into a to the power n. Since the base is same, the exponent will be added, that is m plus n, right? Consider 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. Can we add the exponent? No. Did you see why? The base to the 3 is 2 and the base of 3 to the power 2 is 3. The bases are not same. If the bases are same, only then you can add the exponents or the powers. Dividing powers with the same base. The 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4, right? That means we have to subtract it. The 3 to the power 7, 7 minus 4, that is 3 to the power 3. Here in the same case, same way, that is 5 to the 6 divided by 5 to the 2, that is you have to subtract the exponents, that is 6 minus 2, that is 5 to the power 4. Or here also you can say that 8 to the power 4 divided by 8 to the power 2, that is 8 to the power 4 minus 2, that is 8 to the power 2. In this way you can find the various sums. 8 to the power 8 divided by 8 to the power 5, therefore you will get 8 to the power 8 minus 5, that is 8 to the power 3. Here also for non-zero integers b and c, b to the power 10 divided by b to the power 5, that is b to the power 10 minus 5, that is b to the power 5. c to the power 100 divided by c to the power 90, that is c to the power 100 minus 90, that is c to the power 10, right? In general, for any non-zero integer a, m divided by a n, you will get a to the power m minus m, where m and n are whole numbers and m is greater than n, right? M is greater than n. In this way you can simplify. Taking power of a power. Taking power of your 2 to the power 3 to the power 2, or you can write is here as 3 or 3 to the power 2 to the power 4, right? 2 to the 3 to the power 2 means 2 to the power 3 is multiplied 2 times with itself, right? There is 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3, or 2 to the power 3 plus 3, that is 6, since a to the power m into a to the power n, 8 to the an is equal to 8 to the power m plus n. The 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 6, right? We have to multiply this one. That is here also 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power 6, right? In this way, 7 to the power 2 to the power 10, then you have to multiply this number, right? That is here, if we generalize the term, then we will get 8 to the power 2 to the power 3 to 8 to the power 2 into 3, that is 8 to the power 6. 8 to the power m to the power 2, 3, that is 8 to the power 3m. From this we can generalize for any non-zero integer a, where m and n are whole numbers. A to the power m to the power n, then we are getting a to the power m into n or mn, right? In this way you can find the various problem. Can you tell which one is greater, 5 to the power 2 into 3 or 5 to the power 2 to the power 3? 5 to the power 2 into 3 means 5 to the power 2 is multiplied 3 times, that is 5. 5 into 5 into 3, that you will get is 75. But 5 to the 2 to the power 3 means 5 to the 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. That is 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the 2 into 5 to the 2. That is 5 to the power 6. That is 15,625. Therefore 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 is greater than 5 to the 2 into 3. Multiplying powers with the same exponents. Right? Here you see 2 to the 3 into 3 to the power 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. Or you can write in this way as 23 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. That is 6 into 6 into 6. That is 6 to the power 3. Observe that 6 is the product of base 2 and 3. Right? And consider here also 4 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4. You are getting, if the exponents are same, then you can multiply the base. That is 4 3 are 12 to the power 4, right? Here also, if the exponents are same, this is both the exponents are same, that is 3 to the power 2. Here also, a to the power 4 into b to the 4. Since the exponents are same, ab to the power 4. Or in general, for any non-zero integer a to the power m into b to the power m. You see exponents are same. Therefore, ab to the power m, where m is any whole number. Express the following terms in exponential form. It is 2 into 3 to the power 5. That is 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, and 2 into 3. That is, you are getting 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Here also you are getting same thing, that is 2 more 2 to the power 2a to the power 4. 2a into 2a into 2a into 2a. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, a into a into a into a. There is 2 to the power 4, a to the power 4. Minus 4m to the power 3. That is minus 4m to m to the power 3. Minus 4 into m, minus 4 into m, minus 4 into m. Or you are getting this one, minus 4 to the power 3, m to the power 3. Dividing powers with the same exponent. Dividing powers with the same exponent. So 2 to the 4 and 3 to the power 4. That is, you are getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. That is 2 by 3 to the power 4. Right? Now, if the both the numerator and denominator with both the exponent is same, then we can write 2 by 3 to the power 4. A to the power cube, b to the power cube. Here the exponents are same, therefore we can write a by b to the power 3. Right? And from these examples, we may generalize that a to the power m divided by b to the power m, a to the power m divided by b to the exponents are same. Therefore, a by b is to the power m, where a and b are any non-zero integers and m is a whole number. Right? In this way, 3 by 5 to the power 4, you can write 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4. That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here also, minus 4 to the power by 7 to the power 5, minus 4 to the power 5, 7 to the power 5. That is minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Right? Number with exponent 0. You have to remember this one. 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5 equals to 3 to the power 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That comes to 1 by using laws of exponent. Here now 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5, that is 5 minus 5, 3 to the power 0. So 3 to the power 0 is 1. Can you tell what 7 to the power 0 is equal to? It is also equal to 1. Right? Here you see that is 7 to the power 3 divided by 7 to the power 3 minus 3 is 0, 7 to the power 0, and that comes to 1. That means 7 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now you see 8 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3, 8 to the power 3 minus 3, 8 to the power 0, or 8 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3, it is also 1. Then we can say 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1 for any non-zero integer a. For any non-zero integer a. So we can say that any number except 0 raised to the power or exponent 0 is 1 except 0. Right? Miscellaneous examples using the laws of exponents. Let us solve some examples using rules of exponent developed. Here you can say write exponential form for 8 into 8 into 8 into taking base as 2. Right? Then 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power 3. Right? Or 8 to the power 4 means 2 to the power 3 to the power 4. That is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. Or 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into 4. E to the m to the power m, a to the power m, to the power m, that is 2 to the power 12, right? Simplify and write the answers in the exponential form. You can do this in the same way, that is 3 by 7 by 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 5. That is 3 to the power 7 minus 2, that is 5, and 3 to the power 5, that is 3 to the power 5 plus 5, 3 to the power 10. The same way you can do this also, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 5. The 2 to the power 3 plus 2 is 5 into 10 to the power, into 5 to the power 5, or 2 to the power 5, 5 to the 5. 2 into 5 is 10 to the power 5. In this way, you can find all the problems. Suppose example 12. Simplify 10, 12 to the power 4, 9 to the power 3 into 4 by 6 to the power 3, 8 to the 80 square into 27. 12 to the power 4 can be written as 2 to the square into 3 to the power 4 into 9 square, 3 to the square, 3 and 2 square. You can also write this as 2 into 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 is 2 and 3 to the power square. Now 2 to the 4 to the square to the 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 into 3 into 2 to the power 2, and here you see that 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into 2 and 3 to the power 3. And we are getting 2 to the 8, 2 into 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 6. And this one is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 3 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. Now you can subtract this one, right? That is, you can multiply this one to 2 to the power 8 plus 2, right? 3 to the power into 3 to the power 4 plus 6, and here also 2 to the power 3 plus 6 and 3 to the power 3 plus 3. 2 to the 10 into 3 to the power 10, 2 to the power 9, 3 to the power 6. You are getting 2 to the power 10 minus 9, and here 3 to the power 10 minus 6, 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 4, that is 2 into 81 is 1762. In this way you can solve using the laws of exponents. In most of the examples that we have taken in this chapter, the base of a power was taken as an integer, but all the results of the chapter apply equally well to a base which is a rational number, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.